Snyder lens, photo printer, SD card.
This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's FastPlay. Your movie and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass FastPlay, select the main menu button at any time. FastPlay will begin in a moment. You also might be wondering, why is it called Disney's FastPlay despite being slow? Well, the reason is because we are in a financial crisis and need more DVD sales despite them being obsolete. We already lost a lot of money when our films from last year. Bonus features.
Proceed.
This Disney DVD.
Skip to the end.